Okay guys, so I have I got two handheld blowers out here. I have the 7-year-old Hitachi RB24EAP handheld blower from 2015, and I have the 2018 Toro PowerVac 51988. So I'll just do a quick cold start video on these two. Alright, so I'll do the Hitachi first. Oop. Loud them maybe like 7 to 8 times. The only thing that has done was nothing really major, well, except just the fuel line was changed about a year and a half ago. I did that, and just recently I replaced the spark plug with a, it's a Champion CJ6. That's what the original one was. So I bought a new one for the exact same one. So I just bought a brand new one. So yeah, those two runs fine, except I had to adjust the idle screw just a little bit because once I put in the spark plug, it didn't seem like it was getting a bit rich. But yeah, other than that, it runs good. So let's give you guys a quick cold start. Then we'll do the Toro next. Yeah, not bad for being 7 years old. And this is a Japanese blower, so you can't go wrong with it. And this is a 23.9 cc 2-stroke engine. So yeah, can't believe I have this thing. This good handheld blower for about almost 7 years now. It's been great. Alright, last but not least, the Toro 51988 PowerVac. This last been running since yesterday in my honking video. This is a 25.4 cc 2-stroke engine. It's actually the same displacement that's in the Echo engine. Well, you think this is an Echo engine, but no. This is still a Homelight blower, to be honest. Except it's just redesigned a bit different. So this is not an actual Toro branded blower. This is a Homelight still, because because you can see the date and 2018. It's also not just that. It doesn't say Homelight on here. I looked it up on Jack's Small Engines for the price diagram in this blower, and it says that this particular blower is a Homelight. So we'll see how well it starts just running since yesterday. Choke. It's fine. Yeah, I'm pretty good. Yeah, had it for about, oh, it's been close to 8 months. Wow. I don't know it was that long. Wow. It still looks like it's new, pretty much. Yeah, no. Oh, and the tube hasn't even scratched. Except the, oh, yeah, this part you don't see. So, yeah, look, nah, it still looks pretty new. Yeah, other than that, this is it's a good blower, I'd say.